Alright, I want to show you a thing that I made to open my garage door. Here is a shot from inside my garage right now using the Logitech Circle webcam. I can go to my littlebits app, go into the cloud control, tap on my garage. Here's my garage door button. I'm going to tap it, and I'll zip back over to the camera, and now you can see it's opening. So additionally, I have built in the ability to use Alexa as well as Google. So if I go into the Amazon app, I can tap the microphone, trigger my garage.
Sorry, I don't see that if trigger.
See, I have to actually say it right. Trigger garage.
Sending that to IFT.
So that would have triggered it, so it should be closing now. And there it is. And if I go into Google, I can say, "Okay, Google, open my garage door."
Okay, I'll do that.
I'll go back in. You can see it sends a message. Opening again. "Okay, Google, close my garage door." Close my garage door.
Okay, I'll do that.
And now it's closed. So all of that is done using a littlebits cloudbit setup that I have here with my old garage door remote.